Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you what is respiration in plants. I am going to explain you what is respiration in plants. Okay, now what is respiration? Respiration is a process in which glucose molecules are broken down to release energy, any type of energy, whether it is heat energy or light energy. The glucose molecules are broken down to release heat and light energy. Okay, now let us see the equation for respiration in plants. Okay, now glucose glucose the formula of glucose is C6H12O6 combines with oxygen, that is O2, giving us CO2, carbon dioxide, plus H2O, I think, H2O, and energy in the form of heat and light, or it may be chemical energy, any type of energy it can be. Okay, now this is the equation for respiration in plants. Now what is done after this process? First, this glucose molecules combines with oxygen so that it can be broken down. It breaks down into CO2, H2O, and energy, that is glucose combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy, and it is in the form of ATP. ATP, also known as adenosine triphosphate, the full form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is the full form of ATP. Now what happens? The energy released. So this energy which is released is stored in ATP, and this ATP is rich in chemicals. It is a rich chemical substance. It has various chemicals. So this energy stored in the form of ATP produces ATP molecules, and by one glucose molecules, oxidation of one glucose molecules, that is oxidation of one glucose molecule, 38 ATP molecules are formed. So what happens here? Oxidation of one glucose molecules, that means that one glucose molecules combine with oxygen, and the oxidation of glucose molecules with oxygen leads to formation of 38 ATP molecules. 38 ATP molecules are produced by oxidation of one glucose molecules. 38 ATP molecules are produced when glucose combines with oxygen, one molecule of glucose. Now next, the ATP molecules that are stored in the cells can be broken down at any time to release energy for various metabolic activities. You know that plants also do metabolic activities, like the growth of a flower or growth of any fruit. So this ATP molecules, the energy of these ATP molecules can be broken down at any time, and they can release energy for metabolic activities of plants. So that's all for today, and let me tell you one thing, that this process take place, I think partially of this process, around 15 to 20% of this process takes place in cytoplasm. Yeah, it takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria, but partially. Okay, that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like this video. Bye.